I am tench fishing, and of course as anglers we don't have a crystal ball, so we don't know what the future holds. The present though, as in the immediate, is that I'm not a blanker because I've just caught this perch. No disrespect to that 3-inch fish that I caught just now. After all, it is my favourite species, but this is what I'm after. Very slow this morning. You get that though, don't you, with fishing? If you think you can just turn up and catch big every cast, well, it doesn't happen like that. Yes, we do have red letter days, but when you look at the big picture, you also have lots of sessions where you struggle. And of course, blank as well. Let's not get into that though. A nice fight and a nice bend in the rod. Coming in nice and easily though. I'm in open water, that's always important if you can keep the fish there. I'm going to get the net submerged. It's not a big tench. Very welcome though, especially under the circumstances. Still got plenty of fight in it, but I'm in control, and it's now in the net. It's not big as far as tench are concerned, but at least I'm not a tinker blanker. I'm fishing about 3 rod lengths from the bank. I've got a quiver tip rod, an Akuma Xeon reel, 6-pound Maxima Chameleon that goes right the way through, no swivel, just 1/4 of an ounce lead, the bead, the small shot, hook length of about 5-6 inches, a size 10 Drennan super specialist hook, and 4 white maggots, and I'm fishing over brown crumb and mixed maggots. It's raining now, and whether it's the gardens or freshening up the rivers and the lakes, or just avoiding a drought in general, very welcome indeed, isn't it? I know a lot of people don't like the rain, but when you haven't had any or any significant rainfall for a long period of time, then you certainly appreciate it. I do anyway, but I appreciate the rain anyway. And I think it's important as people, never mind anglers, not to allow the weather to dictate to what we do. I'll get this one into the net, and I'll be back. It's not a tench, I can feel that. Oh, it's a perch. Let's net it and I'll be back. A confident take as well. I needed the forceps on that. It was a couple of inches into the fish's mouth. There it is. Back home. I'm watching the rain fall on the garden, which is great. Jam on toast for breakfast and big mug of tea. We've just had 8 magpies out there, family group, maybe a couple of family groups actually, and got a couple of wood pigeons now, and we've just had, one of them's a juvenile, and we've just also had a juvenile great spotted woodpecker, great tits, blue tits. I love the garden, and sitting where I do, it's like being in a hide.